and Cabo. Today we don't come na Kisi Bome dump site. We come for a look at how things and the happening and how people in the live na the Bome dump site. Well, as we all know, this Bome Sausa we dey so it don dey in existence for over 30 years. Na the eastern part of Freetown. But we don't get people wey don dey na this Bome. We don dey work and don dey take care of how for manage dirty business. Well, I get somebody by my side wey get for introduce himself. You go tell family wetin na your name.
Fambulu na afternoon, meaning Kadiatu Conte, live inside the Kisibome dump site.
So wetin na your position at this Bome dump site?
Well, Tuwala Empa, I'm the cheerleader of the Kisibome dump site.
So how far you be don dey live na this Bome dump site and how life be don turn like for you now?
Okay, well, I thank God. I don't there for the past 20 years, but I thank God because the way they live me life, because I know I'm going to take debts, like then loan business, it bring problem, kind of difficulty for me and my family, that make I choose for Kandinaya. Myself, they get small thing, they do small business, and they live me life, solve so I have problems and that make I decide for Kandinaya.
So wetin be don keep you in time wey make you continue for don dey up to this moment wey you don say you don serve 20 years na the dump site?
Okay, well, Almighty Allah I pray, because on certain side the way you did, if they facing some challenges, then they keep you there. But at least, yeah, I thank God I've been there and I'm here, my minimum be down, they call my Abi. But now as you can see, yeah, don't extend. People don't bokuna ya. So now because God they give you everything we they able achieve for solve the problems then.
As a chair lady for this Kisidom Bome dump site, how far you don dey settle issues dem at the Bome? Because we don dey see a lot of houses dem na this dump site. How people and then dey manage issues dem wey dey happen at the dump site?
Okay, well, we thank God because anything and they need it done. Any environment where you there, when God don't choose you as leader, now for let you solve some problems then where you feel say go bring problem. But if God give you the way, you want to see that problem, they want come, I dey step in, I solve them for let no extend. And I thank God for that. If I step in, they can listen to me as cheerleader.
So since you don dey live here, people don dey die here before when you don dey as a chair lady?
No. And I thank God for that. Because this one as you can see no more. We no get no medical, something pass where you see, spend money, you go see pharmacy, then treat you. And all land we thank God because no sign no do much man they way they sick. So but sometimes pass you feel pain. Ebola don't come, Corona don't come, it no affects non-provincial. So we thank God for that because God you know the purpose where we there for.
So how una can manage the food aspects na this Bome wey una don dey live here? How una can do take for cook una food and prepare una food? Wetin it takes for do that?
Well, we thank God because we get pot, we get pan. As I dey say no more, you know, go there na they say I dey run go cook over street. That mean you don't believe God. But if you believe God, say you dey na dey for do everything about yourself, then God will take care of the rest.
So when rain can come, wetin can be una challenges dem wey una can face during the rainy season?
Okay, well, the rainy season, as you can see no more, we got small buffer. We see rain, we dey go sit down. Where rain cut, we can't pick waiting God mark for we.
So looking at it all, wetin be don dey happen na the Bome wey you think say you dey need people assistance because you don dey here for the past 20 years up to this moment, you dey as a chair lady. Wetin don be una think say una challenges dey una dey face and the assistance wey una want?
Okay, thank God. We say Lala, thank you for that. Because like this fence way they see, say go so. You know been there. But now you know me see me can fix them for we. Then they left bulldozer give we. When they push this dirty, I see this flat ground. Say go down, right down. Now they the dirty be they go. Even here when season no more when maybe the motoka then keep fasting, now can make up to way dirty up here. And then they affected because road been there where the you know me see make say go right down. We motoka then they go down, tricycle or molanke then. We all they go down there. So say they pass and you know say people in there. But now that bulldozer they one dry season far be number now. So now we not be able to end up forget bulldozer. As times pass, the mommy sorry for we see the dirty boku. He send for bulldozer and can push because the mommy no say we the inside here, we the manage life.
So you talk about say and this Bome they been get a pavement because I can recall when we be small small, their pavement been there and the building been they been to retire
Yeah.
where they be they use for manage the waste. Waiting we
Yes.
don't be the cost for leather building day or the pavement loss.
Okay, thank you. Very remind me. Now this Maki, we been get with toilet, we get showers, we get everything. Walking on the way to the whole day, now do the wash, do everything. At one time, someone just grab, the guy can broke there. The same one extend the building for inside the dump site. But where God need to sleep, God knows say what in here. Anyone can seize advantage for we. God decide for do waiting at the right thing for we. Them broke come back and give it back to dump site. They say because na dump site, that man no get right for can add na ya because we did na ya will not get nothing. Now make it one seize advantage there. But according to wetin God do for we appreciate over that.
Okay, I'm taking you back. There one time accident happened here where and the motor car been bank defense and people them be they live in that place stay. What's be happen to them people who them be they live in that place?
Okay, well that accident day, maybe they talk so. Me na one of the victim because na one Friday inside January, I don't come up pray 2 o'clock, I don't dey sleep. I just feel the collapse. At the under the building. So people in can crowd and begin cry and begin Allah. In a out Charlie did it, now Charlie did it. And God ace me up. As God ace me up, I feel like I did under all. But God make her able ace me left hand. I begin knock. And people in for no see that that area the alley dome. Then come, then broke this, then pull first the block where them where the motor broke because of the fence. So after that day, and then go for broke the stick them, then check the pan, and they ace me. When they ace me, I turn, I see the motorcar, big truck. So after that one day, I say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. I know say God no ready for pull me life. And people then say, hey, we all on cry now for you. One whole people, one whole community, all man come back now. And then go for say, well, for Biao, now this guy, you will not say, Alhamdulillah, when nothing die not take place. So now I turn, I see the number, I call, the man respond. He say, now then get the motorcar. I say, bo, now you know come for can see we. And the man tell me, say, in the na Ross Road. I say, but before you go Ross Road, you know you're getting like this. You say, now I get this motorcar. Why you no can meet the victim then? May you know how now they put things in place. And the man tell me, say, well, when come out Ross Road, they go come. From then, I no see him. Some days, I no see him. I sit down back, now I hear you. Wait, because I mean, no one be the caller or I don't get a number. I call her. And then tell me, say, he say in the camp. Even say now, I sit down, now take my phone back, I call him. Now I hear when the response say, now the crane don't come for camp pull motorcar. I say, I say, so now this man in plan. Accident like this happen, this man no come for like can see we. Now they talk about crane. Me at one wham. Now God control me. So me say, now I say yes, I say, the crane don't come. Now I say, well, at the candy. Now cross, I go sit down Obayanda. Excuse me. I go sit down Obayanda. So I sit down. Now see the soldier man crane come. Indeed. Now then pack the crane. Now then go to Wazu side the accident take place. So now in the soldier man go, but the security baby there, maybe they sleep. Now in the soldier man try for drawing attention, but the man still asleep. Now he knock and the man no wake. So the soldier man ask one. So myself now go meet and say, brother, I say wait, happen. I say waiting at me, and then I say, Papa, I say I get concerned. I say that makes so. And why see you come? Now make a can here if you come, no waiting happen. Now I say, then call her, say the motor get accident, motor go inside one hole. So now from upline and call her for Campulam. Now I say daddy, I say not to inside holo. I say me wait man before you so they talk so. I say now me fall inside this accident. Me want me neighbor when I come girl. I say, but I say no, she no respond. I say, so if you say for camp police motor car, I say the motor car say need to go nowhere. Now the man say, he say in a citizen, so in a sentence now. That's it that you say me say a citizen. I say myself na concerned citizen inside this city. I say man tell you one thing. Now I say if me argue, and I say no, I say no to argument. I say because the accident like this not go take place, then people are not can see we, they not talk nothing. Then they say for let them come police motor car. I say the motor car they go nowhere. Then the driver look me. Now I say waiting happen. I say daddy, I say see this motor car waiting map. I say I don't dey sleep Friday. I see an accident woman I just see. They broke the fence. The motorcar go meet me inside. I say, so if this man say for can police motorcar, this man for don't come for slave, see waiting they happen. Then we negotiate. I say, anything then they go pull the motorcar. Now the man say, "Eh, na so it be." Now I say, yes, sir. Now I tell him company, I say, well, the motorcar, he say, we need the church and he say, we dey go. If this man can settle with them people here, he say, we go come for can pull the motorcar. Now in them go. Some days back, now in them pass, then go to city council. But by then the case be in a
What's good?
no, it be in a Abo police station.
Abo police station.
Yes, sir. So now in the man, the police get for call me because na me personally, he left me number everything. Now he say come on. He say them people for the accident. He say no reach here. So now I go together I see the man. Now I say now tell the Kumra girl. I say this man. I say na be the driver. I say not to me oh. Not to me na the driver. Now I say I swear to God. I say I see you. I say me I judge me say na the driver. So me at one. And the officer say well go na do. Say because he say I know say you dey feel pain. He say so go na do. Now in the interview I explain. Now he use the word say yes na him. So him been there. So say where them broke the place, where them pull me under the building. So him been there. But I'm afraid him be afraid. Him be hang. Now the other part, it see always happen. So me say not forget about that. And they say, well, Mr. Jallo can't talk to me. They say na Mr. Jallo na him.
Who na Mr. Jallo per se?
Mr. Jallo now they say na him na the boss man for the place society in the work. Now I say okay, no problem. Now Mr. Jallo can't talk to me. Me say if I accept. They say now, they say you know one problem. Because maybe don't say what say the motor can they come out, pass they make me be lean and take care of me. Pass they make the pan body where they don't broke. So now the man say well, it's not a problem. He say now, he say they cancel one, we sit down, we arrange down there. He say, but if the motor cut him up now, he say no meaningful. He say do you are big. He say so let them pull the motor. He say I go come, I go make the fence, and make una pan body and wait to get for settle. They settle am. He talk to me peaceful one. At least myself, I show understanding. And then pull him to car, and then go. We then go. Some days, and then Mr. Jallo send one yeah, the man name say, don't escape me small. So now I send the man count 1 million loans. He can't give me say well, Lord holy so forth. After we me don't go do everything. I go do scan for make I know my status because 57 years woman left me not so picking again. Say why I fall inside this accident, I for know my status. The man say me want make case, why make me for go do scan? I say, bo, if now you woman or you be fall on this accident, you know go do scan for let you know your status. You know able to answer that question there. So me say now left am. Now the man say well they come, they go know say they can't settle. From there no they get that 1 million they don't can now, they don't make the fence, they don't do everything, they don't can again for can see we. Me and that Kumbra lady, what to they go through, we then broke the place, wetin happen, nothing again. From then, they no able to do nothing again towards that.
Okay, looking at it all, you kaya as a young somebody by then. Now you say you're 57 years old. Waiting Freetown City Council don't they do for now? Una way don't they take care of this dirty, this dump site as somebody where they live here?
Okay. Well, and there we thank God because, as I can say, we now we living with a friend now. Now waiting with a pick, now we live by city council and get the workers then. So now the workers and they take care of. We now after God, now they take care of yourself.
Like waiting at the pick then way una can look at say una they get a means of survival because we get another thing also we don't the set eyes on. Them food their way then can come to in Abomea. Then una can take them also for go out there to the public for go sell.
Oh, stuff like that, don't know they do one. The only thing we didn't have for as you can see no more them back there with the pick mega, plastic, iron, rubber, and then thing and we they sustain we life with. But for everything don't condemn, we they take them back to go sell am. We don't get any time then they daddy because we are citizen. We don't know go don't condemn so until they take them back to go sell and give a citizen family then they eat and then die. Likewise, you know they eat and we will fine. So we need to do that one day.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Well, family out there, as we still continue, if you know they watch within the site where the dumping site and outside people and they live, you are another place outside people and they live. Same way so where they watch, this don't become an area outside people don dey serve as a dwelling place for them. Well, we still dey look at the Bome stories, wetin dey happen na the Kisi dumping site. For Voice of Salone, Radio and TV, Ibrahim Sarasisi, the report.